Hey, what up guys? Welcome back to our channel here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. We appreciate your continued support. We're showcasing a handful of rigs today, bringing you 5 or maybe even 6 4RUNNERs, a couple of FJ Cruisers, GX470, a newer GX460, and a Land Cruiser LC250. This mashup is going to show you some of the most popular suspension lifts and mods that may help and give you ideas for your very own. So sit back, relax, and enjoy another day here at 88 with us. We'll kick it off with this 4RUNNER here with both new front and rear bumpers. After adding all this weight, it's here for some heavier springs for both front and rear. We're slapping on some Dobinson springs for the back and some 700 pounders up front from King Shocks. And this other 4RUNNER here just received our body mount shop for some tire clearance. Next one up is this FJ Cruiser, in for a new Fox setup. We're going to be installing a 2.5 factory race series setup from Fox on here with some CAMBURG tubular X-joint upper control arms and some rear Old Man Emu lift springs. And for the wheels on this one, we're going with the RRW RR7V flow formed wheels. These are going to be a 17 by 8.5 size with a 0 offset. The color chosen here are going to be the matte black faced wheels with the gloss black simulated beadlock rings. You guys want to know a secret from our YouTube channel? We have a $500 off coupon for our website for the Fox Factory Race Series. Use promo code FOX500, that's FOX500, to get $500 off a set of Fox shocks from our website at 88rotorsoffroad.com. This discount code works for all 4RUNNERs, FJ Cruisers, Lexus GX460, and 470 on our website. The owner of this vehicle came in with some fairly new tires, so he's keeping it. We're just swapping them onto the new RRW wheels on here. We have another FJ Cruiser coming in for a BILSTEIN 6112 and 5160 setup. It also has some bad lower bushing, so we're swapping out the lower control arms. We're also doing the upper control arms from SBC and an Old Man Emu lift spring in the back. Back to the other FJ Cruiser, we just finished installing the Fox setup with the CAMBURG tubular X-joint upper control arms. All the nuts and bolts were torqued properly and marked with the white paint pen. Our tech is now going over everything to double check that that process has been completed before he installs the wheels and tires. If you guys are new to the channel and don't know who we are, we're a shop out here in sunny Southern California in the city of Baldwin Park. We're about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. And if you're not local to us and want to support us or want to get a good deal from us, no problem. Check out our website at 88rotorsoffroad.com. We have prepackaged lift kits, all prepackaged, pre-adjusted, and oftentimes pre-assembled and everything ready to go and ready to be installed the moment it lands at your front doorstep. You'll get that perfect look that you want because we help you take out the guesswork on what needs to be ordered. We'll make sure those key components are all packaged up so you don't end up looking silly with oddball ride heights gathering your own parts together. This one is now pretty much complete. We're going to wrap it up now and bring it out for a quick test drive. Wrapping up the job on the FJ Cruiser over here as well. The new 6112s and 5160s have been installed with the Old Man Emu lift springs and SBC upper control arms. We also installed the Moog lower control arms in the front end. Next up, we have a brand new Land Cruiser LC250. This one is in for a WESTCOTT Designs preload collar lift setup. It includes the front preload collar that gives you about 2.5 inches of lift and 3/4 of an inch in the rear. With the new lift setup, we're able to clear some 285/75/17 Toyo Open Country AT3 tires. Wheel of choice here are going to be the RRW RR7H flow form wheels in a bronze finish. Spec here is a 17 by 8.5 with a plus 25 offset. New setup has been installed, wheels and tires, and alignment has been performed, so we're going to bring this one out now for a quick test drive. Next up, we have a Lexus GX460 that's in for a King suspension setup. We're doing the King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks all around on this one with some SPC ball joint upper control arms and a rear Old Man Emu lift spring. The front King coilovers have been adjusted to about 3 inches of lift. The rear gets 1.5 inches from the OME lift spring. And with a little bit of trimming and moving the fender liner forward, we are able to clear some 285/70/17 tires on here. This vehicle actually came in with a set of Whistler wheels on here already, so we're gonna leave it untouched. We're just reinstalling the wheels and tires and bringing it out. We hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. And if you're not getting enough here, make sure to follow us on Instagram. We post on there daily. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. We do a ton of these 6112 and 5160 setups on the 4RUNNER platform, often paired with either SBC or CAMBURG arms and some rear OME lift springs. It gives you everything you need for the ground and tire clearance, gives you the great on-road ride comfort, and also gives you enough muscle underneath for some mild off-road trails. Whether you like to run some fire roads or go camp in some primitive spots, this setup will get the job done without breaking your bank. To improve your off-road experience, here are some Method bead grip wheels. The bead grip wheels allow you to air down a little bit more than the traditional wheel. It helps keeps your bead intact and not debead at lower PSIs. We paired this one up with some 285/70/17 BF Goodrich All-Terrain KL2 tires. Next up, we have this Lunar Rock Toyota 4RUNNER that's in for a King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shock setup. This one also has the CAMBURG tubular X-joint upper control arms and the OME rear lift spring. Fronts are adjusted to about 3 inches of lift, rear gets 1.5 inches from the lift spring itself. For the wheels and tires on this one, we decided to go with some RRW RR7H 17x8.5 with a 0 offset in matte black. Tire of choice here are the 285/70/17 BF Goodrich All-Terrain KO2 tires. Want to get $100 off a set of RRW wheels from our website? Use promo code YouTube to get $100 off a set of 4 wheels or $125 off a set of 5. New King suspension, wheels and tires have been installed and alignment has been performed. We're going to bring it out now for a quick test drive. Next up, we have this white Lexus GX470 that's in with blown factory rear airbags. These things always go bad, so we often swap them out for a rear coil spring conversion. They ride much better than those faulty factory airbags. It's time for a suspension refresh anyway, so we're going to throw on some 6112s up front with some SPC upper control arms and some 5160 rear shocks. The rear coil conversion is going to be done with some OME lift springs as well. Did you know that most shock manufacturers recommend servicing or replacing your shocks every 50 to 60,000 miles, and also more frequently depending on your driving style and terrain that you drive on? Your shocks will lose pressure over time, and without the proper maintenance, this really affects your driving performance, ride quality, and safety of your vehicle. To maximize the performance of the 6112 setup up front and correct all the alignment angles, we matched the fronts up with some CAMBURG tubular X-joint upper control arms. For the wheels and tires on this one, we went with the RRW RR7H matte black wheels, 17x8.5 with a 0 offset and some 285/70/17 BF Goodrich All-Terrain KO2s. And this is pretty much going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. As usual, thank you very much for tuning in. We greatly appreciate it. As always, make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted every time we post a new video. And until then, take care, guys.